Class 6th, Chapter 6, The White Mouse Circus. Word meaning. Words. Bracing, matlab refreshing. Chambermaid, a maid, one who cleans a hotel room. Compromise, a settlement of dispute in which two sides agree to accept less than they originally wanted. जब दो बाजू आपस में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करने के लिए, डिस्प्यूट सेटल करने के लिए अपनी डिमांड से कम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज़. कंसोलेशन, a source of comfort to somebody who is upset or disappointed. किसी को खुश करने के लिए कुछ देना अगर वो upset है तो. Relentlessly, never slacking but going at the same pace. रुके नहीं पर सेम स्पीड पे चलते रहें. Scuttling, running or moving quickly with short steps. Saddle, to edge along in a secretive way. छुप के कुछ करना. Tommy rot, utter foolishness or nonsense. Comprehensions. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What reasons did the grandmother give for going to Bournemouth? Reason which the grandmother gave for going to Bournemouth was to follow the doctor's advice and to ensure good health. How does the boy describe the hotel? According to the boy, hotel was magnificent. Hotel was magnificent. Hotel का नाम है magnificent. Hotel magnificent was an enormous white building. बहुत बड़ी white building है. On the sea front, समुद्र के किनारे, which looked like a pretty boring. वो बिल्कुल boring सी लगती है. Boring place to spend a summer holiday in. He also says that the ground floor of the hotel was a maze of public rooms, all of them named in gold letters on the door. Next question. Why had the grandmother given the boy a pair of white mice? The grandmother gave the boy a pair of white mice as a consolation before the trip. ट्रिप पे जाने के पहले उसको खुश करने के लिए दिए गए थे. Because their plan of going to Norway was cancelled and they were going to Bournemouth, which was a boring place for a small boy. What was the first trick the boy taught the mice? The first trick the boy taught the mice was to creep up the sleeve of his jacket and come out by his neck. Why did the hotel manager get angry with the boy and his grandmother? The hotel manager got angry with the boy because he kept mice as pet, which was not allowed. And he got angry with the grandmother because she said that there were mice or rats all around the hotel. Next question. What made the boy confident that he had found a good place to train his mice? The boy went a long wide corridor and at the end of it he came to the ballroom. This room was large and empty. The meeting of Royal Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Children was going to be conducted there. The boy thought that this meeting must be conducted one day earlier and they all might have gone home. And even if they did suddenly came pouring in, they would be wonderful kind of people who would look with favor upon a young mouse trainer going about his business. With these all things made him confident that he had found a good place to train his mice. जो बॉय था उसने कॉरिडोर में एक बॉल रूम में एक रूम ढूंढा था जहाँ पे मीटिंग हुई थी रॉयल सोसाइटी फॉर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ द क्रुएलिटी टू चिल्ड्रन. उसे लग रहा था वो मीटिंग शायद वहाँ ख़त्म हो चुकी थी और वो काफ़ी खुश था और उसे लग रहा था अगर वो आ भी जाते हैं तो उससे इन चीज़ों पे नाराज़ नहीं होंगे. Difficult questions. In what ways was the grandmother a clever and thoughtful lady? The grandmother was a very clever and thoughtful lady as she very smartly outwitted the hotel manager. बड़े आराम से वो होटल मैनेजर से निपट ली थी And when she came to know that the hotel manager will not let keep the mice, उनको mice रखने नहीं देगा, she relentlessly argued with him. उसने बिल्कुल बिना रुके उसके साथ आर्ग्यू किया और एट लास्ट शी एग्रीड अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज़. आखिरी में वो एक कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ पे पहुँचे एंड वेरी क्लेवरली हेल्ड विद द सिचुएशन, और बड़े आराम से वो सिचुएशन से डील कर ली. शी इज़ थाटफुल, वो थाटफुल है बिकॉज शी अंडरस्टूड दैट द बॉय वॉज सेड बिकॉज they were not able to go to the Norway, and she also understood that the Hotel Magnificent was a boring place for him and gifted him a pair of white mice to make him happy. और वो thoughtful भी थी क्योंकि वो समझ गई थी वो जो बच्चा है जो नॉर्वे जा रहा था, अभी वो बॉर्नमाउथ आया था तो वो काफ़ी दुखी है और उसको खुश करने के लिए उसने पेयर ऑफ माइस दिए थे. In your own words, describe how mice may be trained to walk a tightrope. First, we must have a piece of string. Then, we must have a good cake. A fine currant cake is the favorite food of white mice. They are dotty about it. When we stretch the string tight between two hands, but we start by keeping it very short, only about 3 inches. We put the mouse on our right hand and a little piece of cake on our left hand. The mouse only has to take the 2 steps along the string to reach the tasty morsel. He ventures forward, one paw on the string and then the other. If the mouse has a good sense of balance, and most of them do, he will get across easily. When it crosses the string, give it a bite of the cake as a reward. Then slowly increase the length of the string. This way we can train the mouse to walk on a right rope. What difficulties might you come up against if you were training mice? Difficulties we might came up with against while training the mice can be some of the following. If you want to train them, we will have to take the permission of all our family members. Maybe we will not get it. We need a big open place, which we can rarely get. And big place the mice run, and it would be difficult to catch them. While running here and there, they may even break up the things and much more. Working with words. Rats cried Mr. Stringer, going in the face. Question number 1. Why does Mr. Stringer turn away? What does this tell us? Mr. Stringer turned away as he was shocked after hearing the grandmother, and he also felt embarrassed in the behalf of his hotel. ग्रैंडमदर ने जो उन्हें रेट्स की बात कही थी, इस बात से वो बहुत दुखी हुए थे और काफ़ी उनको बुरा भी लगा था. Which other colors are used to describe the people, feeling or moods? Things of this feeling: fear, white; anger, red; rage, red; sadness, grey; sickness, pale white; envy, green. Try to use these colors in the sentence to describe how people feel. Red: when Rohan's ball hit the Rahul's face was red with anger. Pale white: due to fever, Reena's face was pale white. Green: when Sham came first in racing competition, all his friends were green with envy. White: when Ram was a snake on the road, he was white with fear. When Ram saw a snake on the road, he was white with fear. Mixed sentence. Pop in: my mother popped in to confirm that I was studying. Marched: the parade was very nice. The children marched very well. Run: while playing, the children run every day and make a terrible noise. Tiptoed: at night the thief tiptoed in a house to steal things but was caught by the police officer. Bursting: my neighbor came bursting in my house because my rocket went in his garden and burst there. Wandered: I wandered all over my colony in search of one of my friends who can play with me.